Hi, my name is Silke Överby and I'm Chief Risk and Compliance Officer in Vipps MobilePay.
Maybe you can tell us how things are changing in this industry.
In the olden days, there were people sitting there Googling the company name, all the brand names, the beneficial owners, the CEO and so on. I think they used most likely more effort into the process than evaluating the outcome, and that's what I'm looking for.
Are there any benefits that you've seen?
I would say Strise definitely helped us improve our productivity. So working more efficiently, working more risk-based, as I said before, using the manual labor where it's most worthwhile, using actually humans, automating repetitive processes, and by this helping us, of course, to decrease costs, so that is very important, but also improve customer satisfaction. Being able to make low-risk decisions automated without long waiting times, that's of course extremely important. Strise, one tool that works in all our markets that we are able to collaborate. Nordic now. To have streamlined processes, to have optimized processes, to have one tool, one source of truth that is collecting all the input from a lot of other sources, so you don't need to open 3 different tools, but everything consolidated one place. So either you are part of the scalable automation game and work risk-based as everyone else, or you will not survive the competition. And Strise is really helping us realizing those ambitions and goals.